Hey, what is up, guys? So it is 6 in the morning right now, and I am gonna check out why my headlights don't work and my speedo won't turn on when I turn on the bike. So if anyone's having this issue out there, you know, we're about to figure it out together. But I'm gonna take this off, this fairing, and we'll see what's under. So yeah, see you guys right now. Alright guys, so I kind of have my left panel open. So for the 04s to 06 R1s, that's the little fuse box here. So I'm gonna check that out, and hopefully this is it. I don't want to have to take apart the other side, but you know, we'll see right now. Right side. All my fuses are good, so that's a bummer. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this side up, and so I'm on the right side of the fairing, and I think I might have found the issue. So this is right by the radiator cap. Sorry, I'm fucking tired. So look at this. Oh, sorry. It's like a burnt wire right there. I haven't checked any of the other wires, but I'm pretty sure that's a problem. I'm gonna check these guys too, but I think that's their suspect. And look at this wire right there. It's like out, the black one. So yeah, I'm gonna check this stuff out real good, and I'll let you guys know if that worked out or not. I'm gonna clean it. So, wish me luck, guys. Hopefully that's it. I want to go back to bed. I guess see ya. Inspection. Look at this here. That's like completely fried into the plastic. Man, I'm not trying to change this whole fucking harness. I mean, this side's fine, I guess. But it's just here. Fuck. Alright, well. Yeah, unpin these and see what I can do. Alright, guys, so it's not fixed yet, but look at this. So I tried cleaning this thing up, and I just can't, because the pins are like melted into the plastic. But like, I'm gonna move it, and it's on. So if I like move it slightly to the right, it's on. See, like that's fine. It's on. I'm gonna go to like the auto part and see what I can find. So yeah, at least, you know, if anybody has this issue, they can get to this before it's too late, like mine, and the pins are stuck to the plastic. Alright, well, I'll let you guys know what I end up doing and if I figure it out. But so guys, I kind of cleaned this out as much as I could. On those teeth, I like closed them out a bit too. And this one, just because it looked like they were pretty loose. Now I'm gonna spray some of this stuff. So hopefully, you know, that'll work. So I'm gonna give it a shot right now. And I really hope it works. And my speedo works. I'm so excited. Alright, so I'm gonna clean some more and fidget with it a little bit more. If anyone has any advice out there on how I can like make this better to prevent this issue from happening again, please let me know. Again, like I kinda got those little pins like stuck from like the heat and the plastic. And I went to like O'Reilly's, but I couldn't find those pins. So I don't know, I'm just gonna try to clean them up real good and hope for the best. It's because these pins are like, I don't know guys, I don't know. So please let me know if anyone's out there. Save me. But you know, as long as they work for now, that's fine. But I'm just gonna clean her up real good and put the fairing back on and hit the hay.